Heyo, keep going. Daytime stream, so much fun. So yesterday I got, actually I'll do my, hey fish. Oh, should I, why don't I think I'm just gonna leave 3 a.m. at Denny's, right? Like, cause that's where I really belong. And it's 3 a.m. somewhere, fish, right? Can you tell I'm like a little sick? Yesterday I thought it was, allergies. And then I got to like 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. And, I'm like, uh, I start like, feeling it. Like I like my throat starts hurting and I like have sinus issues and I'm like, what's going on? And then I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm sick. Yeah, but it's like a weird kind of sick that like that medication can take care of. So like I'm still working today. I'm just gonna work a little later, and this is my lunch break. Um, so yeah, I like streaming during lunch. I think eventually I want to like go back into lifting, but we'll see. And I also have been working on my portfolio site, which crashed yesterday, which is really frustrating. Blaming Benson for me being sick. Wait, why? That's an odd thing to say. Why? Did I make out with Benson and not know about it? It made me get sick. What do you mean, Gray? What are you talking about? I don't know if that's true. Uh anyway, so I'm pretty excited to just keep going on this because it's um I just want to have a website up, like a personal website that I can add to like my resumes because I really want to try to get into DevRel. And so I've been just like trying to work on this. And I have my Excalibur. It's probably gonna be a quiet day because like everybody's like working. I will feel better, thank you. Um, funny. I'll feel better. I feel okay. It's like on and off, but so I'm really just working on this, and I just like for the most part, I think I'm like,
Stella.
hey, Stella. Yeah, I sounded better that time. I usually have too high a voice now, but that worked. Fish, do you? Oh yeah, you have the moo. Hatter, do you have a soundbite? Did I never put your soundbite in? I feel like you would do a pretty creative soundbite. I don't know if this is obvious that this is. I'm gonna be using the whole screen for Vim, so I kind of want to like just show this. So I want to get that up and then put this up here. I don't know. I don't know. It's a little bit annoying. Okay, like because they're supposed to be like mirror images, right? Like supposed to be able to see what I'm trying to do, but I don't know what the best way to like showcase my changes is. I don't know. We'll just move it back and forth a bunch. I think I'll just keep this on the side and bring it back in and out. You're offended? Oh, Everybody's offended, I guess. I don't really know why. There's no reason. Okay, so I'm going to um, mounting over a file system is forbidden. Wait a minute, what? Oh, silly me. There we go. My bad. My bad. Oh, my Spotify's not on. I was wondering why it was so quiet in here. It's X's and O's. I don't want to listen to X's and O's. There we go. Well, I am doing that right now. So streaming during the day. So crazy. All right. So we're going to go into a little bit loud for me. Hold on. HTTP and then my index. No. That's where I want to go. And then I want to end them into my index. Seriously? It's not in there. I need to CD into Chrissy codes again. There we go. It's too loud. Is that loud for anybody else? Or is it just me, the music? I'm glad you guys are hanging. Good morning. Oh, yeah. Hey, handsome. How you doing? Good. Awesome. That makes me happy. There we go. There she is, baby. I think I have to use the whole width to do this. I don't think I can keep Mega Hottie in my portfolio. I feel like people are gonna go to the site and be like, "Yo, okay, first of all, not Mega Hottie. Second of all, like I mean, like whatever. We all are, we all know that we're all beautiful inside and out. But but nobody's gonna. If I put this on my resume, they're gonna be like, "What? Absolutely. Why would that be the first word on your website?" Kind of funny. I don't know, maybe for DevRel, no. I feel like that's such a bad that's like the worst. Okay. All right, so we're gonna do split the screen. I'm getting into this Vim stuff, you guys. Like I really get it. I'm starting to really like, and I'm probably not even like, nope, that's not what I want to do. I want to do a V split. I mean, I'm not an evangelist yet. But let's see, we're gonna do, then we're gonna go into styles because that's what I was doing yesterday. This is super fun. CC, what? I did it. What did I do? Songify? Did you check Songify? Is that what it was? Good morning, Algo. Algo, where? Old Slappy, can you please remind me to get Algo a proper friggin' shout out? It's just, I don't know the coolest thing about NeoVim. I should probably say NeoVim instead of Vim. I can't wait to use language models. I'm excited about that. Oh, you guys. That's what I hear. Yeah, the auto shoutouts. Algo needs an auto shoutout. Oh my gosh, look at this awful. Gray, if you're working, I won't ask you to do anything, but do we want to like have a better wrap or something? You said the white space was killing you, so maybe we can fix that today. Is it hard? How long will it take? I have to be off by 1:00 because I have therapy. Because you should always talk to someone if you can afford it or if you have insurance. Very important. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so do we fix the config right now or do I just code? Because I do want to finish this portfolio. No, what do you guys think? I think the config's really ugly. So let's just code. All right. So I'll just have to live with it, I guess. You know what I'm going to do then? I'm going to do what I did yesterday. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. I'm fine, really. All right. If we want to see what I'm doing, we can add it. So, all right. So, what this looks like now is let's see, this. So what I want to do is I want to fix this nonsense right here because like for some reason it's not doing what I expect. So I think something's wrong with project banner. I don't know what's going on, but let me do some inspect and see if I can figure out how to fix this. Oh, Watch Rig 3 stream. Yeah, baby. Ooh. Woo! Yay! So excited. Sorry. We have fun. Okay. Like, what is this? Is not so. This container is not even affecting what's inside it, and I feel like it has something to do with my project links. Maybe are my project links overriding something? No. So I'm not really sure what's happening. Like the container should absolutely. Hey. Hey Trix, how you doing? Thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. You know, one of my apps is called Trixie. After you, of course, because I knew eventually you would follow. I'm sorry, Grey Hatter. No, I'm still a bit sick, but I took Mucinex this morning, so I'm feeling like I can take on the world. So, okay. Get Money Casper, thank you for the follow. Welcome into the stream. All right, we got to fix this. For some reason, something is like overriding this too. Do you see how it's like? Let's get rid of text align because I think it should be align content or justify content here, and that's an issue. So if we go, all right. So what we want to do is we want to get to text align. Oops, silly me. So we're going to do text align, right? That's not, yep, that's the one I want. And I want to replace it. So let's do this. We'll do a change in word, right? Oh, that's the first one. Darn it, that's the one I wanted to do. And that's just going to go down because I pressed enter. So actually that doesn't work. All right. I forgot how to traverse the document to the one I want. Next, oh, you're right. If I press N, got it, N. Okay, perfect. And then I want to change in word. Perfect. And then I want to do align. No, this is going to be justify content. There we go. And capital N is previous, yeah. Or I could just wrap it around, right? Okay. So that should at least help a little bit. Okay, so that writes, and I'm working on, so yesterday my server crashed. Okay, this is what I wanted, but I don't understand what the is going on here. Is this like a gap or like what am I putting in here that's broken? Is there padding? There's no margin or padding or anything. Oh, there is padding. No, that's good padding. Is it the box shadow? It's the box shadow. And the box shadow is on artwork. Got it. Okay. And I remember I didn't like the height either. I know I'm just doing front end stuff, guys, but soon, eventually, not today, but I'm gonna be doing my vibrator API hookup so that basically there's a screen. I'm really excited about this actually. So, and then I want to fix vibrator. And then I want to fix vibrator. Like I'm actually really motivated. So right now vibrator uses this very oh no, everybody likes I like front end. I just meant like I want to do more. I want to do more full stack stuff. I'm sorry. I apologize. So I'm going to have a vibrator console basically where you could just enter a line of text and get your positive, negative, and neutral percentages. And then, and I also want to change the vibrator model. I think I want to do some NLP work because I think it'd be really interesting to start working with large language models. So, or at least like NLP models. So I'm really excited to do this. Greetings, Juana. How are you doing? Like Juana or nice to meet you. Welcome on in. I'm usually a nighttime streamer. So at least our time. Hey David, how you doing? Welcome on in. Thank you so much for the follow. You too, Guana. Thank you both. Okay. So the next thing. Celebrate. You, what's up? Thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is fix the way this nonsense looks. I didn't write it, so. All right, now it should be better looking a little bit. But I'm really excited about the vibrator work. Oh, the padding. I didn't disappear the padding. Let's get rid of that. So we're gonna go to, is there a way to do, okay, so I am in Vim, right? And I wanna do project link, but then I wanna do like, okay, project link and then padding. So is there like a asterisk or something? Okay, so it won't do that. Is there a way that I can like dig into a part of my code and then look further into it? Like, okay, I want something like, oh, I could use regex, right? So I don't know regex very well, but I could probably use regex. So it would be like, do I have to do a different kind of search when I do regular expression searches in Vim? Or can it be the same? No, that's not gonna work. So I have to, let me look this up. Try not to solve multi-line problems with regular expressions. That's a fair point. That's a fair point. But if I wanted to do, it's a one-off. I think what it'll do, hey, Grim. Oh my gosh, Hatter. Grim is like regex, the regex world. What are you doing awake? Good morning. Why are you awake? I mean, I'm always awake at this time, so I guess it's a little later than I thought, but I want to learn how to do regex in NeoVim or Vim. So like I might as well use this as an opportunity to like see. As long as I know it's not a good tool for multi-line, that's fine. But maybe like the idea came up, so I'm excited to learn it. So Grim is a scratch regex golfer. Absolutely. No. Grim is like king of regex. Maybe. I haven't seen him in the regex word. Hey Cremonti, how are you doing? Thank you for the follow. And choose violence. Maybe you're right. Maybe I shouldn't. It's NeoVim. So like, I don't know, maybe there's some love there. Just getting up around now. Nice. Yeah. Why not? Okay, Grim, let's say I wanted to more stream. Yeah, Coder, this is one of those bonus streams that you won for doing a word ban. This for you. It's a bonus stream. I got one more left after this, and then we're all caught up. And I'll probably do it sometime this weekend, to be honest. I'm sick, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna stream the whole time. Maybe. I think it'd be fun. We'll see. Okay. So, does anybody, all right, I'll just look it up. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look it up. Regex search NVIM. Let's see if people do this. Why are you trying to always one-up me, Coder? A regex generator? I won't find an answer to this. I'm actually really excited to challenge that. When is it ABC and ends with XYZ? NVIM. Command below should work unless any character means something different for. I don't know why I didn't come. How to generalize the action. Is that G? Generalize? Or I always think G of like the whole doc. Loop like Dev, how you doing? Welcome on into the stream. Thanks for hanging out. Are you laughing at me because I got it wrong? GG go beginning. GG generalize beginning. G go end. Sure, that makes sense. Global. That makes sense. All right. So if I want to do G, no, that's not right. S//G. Oh, no, insert. Stop it. I didn't tell you to insert. All right, so what if I did project link? Obviously, I don't want to do this a lot, right? And I want to do here. Oh, it's not really caring about the period. Oh, no, it is. It's saying anything after and then some space. And it's doing it over here, which that's weird. It does it in both. I didn't realize it did it in both windows because it's global. Yo, you guys. Yo. Yo. No, that's not right. I thought that was it. I thought it was so cool. Oh no. I do like this time. Good game, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so then it's not that. It's, and then I want to do padding. Okay, so that didn't work. That's wrong what they said. What about this? Padding. No. Dot. Okay, hold on. What if I did dot task? Nope. Dot star. Oh, the rest of the line. So this is the multi-line issue that you were talking about. So it's saying like, okay, you can find this, but, and then if I do that, okay, it'll go. Got it. And if I do, what if I do this? Okay, that doesn't work. Why? That didn't make any sense. So like this will work, but the other one won't. That's pretty weird to me. It must mean something in regular expression. Generalize the problem. Okay, so I've got a multi-line search. And I want to try to dig. I want to get past the first search. Now, it's kind of a silly thing to do, but I essentially want to find something that starts with one expression and ends with another, and then has anything in between. So it's multi-line, which is annoying, right? Which is the one-off issue. I want to do it once, yes, and then I'll never do it again. Oh, let's say I did want to do it multiple times in a row. No, I want to do it once. Okay, search S. Okay, and then do That's what you said before, so I was just guessing. Wait, then search then S? So wait, hold on. So you were saying S, project, link, enter? Am I in the wrong? I'm in the wrong window. Let's go. There we go. Now I'm in the right window. That was weird. Did I spell it wrong? Pattern not found? Are you broken? Oh. And then just padding. No, that didn't work. Interesting. Sorry. Okay. Just this, just that, just that, just the one thing. You're so angry. Is it possible that she is less focused in the daytime? A bit possible. Sorry, everybody. I apologize for my ADHD. Oh, I type just. It doesn't work. J-U-S-T. Okay. J-U-S-T. I know. J-U-S-T /. There we go. I'm just kidding. That was a joke. Come on. That was a joke. I'm just joking. That was fun for me. Come on. I'm just sitting here with a /. Vim Magic. Hey, Atmospheria. Who's going to pop some IRL bubbles, y'all? Yes, I want to learn today. I'm motivated. You got half an hour of therapy at 1. Yeah. Coder, how did you get enough cash? How did you get enough smackers for IRL bubbles and word ban? You been lurking and not telling me about it? Oh no, not creating a macro. Screw that. Nope. Unless it's easy. If it takes like 5 minutes, that's fine. You always lurk? Then I will always say hi to you. All right, cheers to a macro, y'all. We're building a macro in Vim. I feel like I need to like announce this. Making macros in Vim. Heck yeah. 4 letters to make a macro. Is it M-A-C-R? No. Is it? Oh, I see, Coder. All right, I got you. Well, thanks for lurking. M-A-C row. Okay. My macro needs a name. Okay. Let's call it multi-line search. The default name for a macro is Q. Guess why the default is Q? I don't know. Efficacy, hey, how you doing? How's the daytime? Is the daylight killing anybody? Got engaged. Bubbles in the chat for efficacy, everybody. Oh my gosh. A hoodie is not a color, no. Yeah, bubbles in the chat for engagements. Heck yeah. What? I didn't say the C word. Did I say the C word? Oh no. I didn't know that I said the C word. That doesn't count. It's not collar. It's this word. That doesn't work. It doesn't count. You take that away. I object. A homonym for sure. But no thank you to things that are like spelled sort of the same. You can't use your creative license. All right, I'm lost. Efficacy is so happy for you. That is awesome. And you got bubbles. Like a week with engagement and bubbles. That's like, I don't know why Q is. I don't want to guess. Can you not make me guess? I don't want to guess. Thank you, old sloppy. I feel like, yeah, I feel like that's not fair. Good. It's not as good as getting engaged, but for sure. Are you gonna have bubbles at the ceremony? Oh, sorry, efficacy. Oh no. Jesus. Jesus. Okay. I'm paying attention. I'm paying attention. This is too slow for me. I'd rather look it up and follow. Voters are lazy. Okay, so macros means quit, means stop doing. Even moving fingers is too much work. So it's just a pinky move, or it's just a, it depends though, right? It depends on your keyboard. I bet like, so like Vim was created with a QWERTY keyboard in mind, right? So like, whoa. But I guess everybody configures their stuff anyway, so it doesn't matter. Why is the default macro Q? Because it's not right next to my ring finger. Quick. Fine. Thanks, Soul Sloppy. Did you look it up? Because that's what I need right now. I'm like getting anxious because I only have till 1, so. Q is how you start a macro. Q? All right. And QQ is how you cancel one. Do I type another Q? Recording? Oh my God, I'm recording now. I don't want to touch anything. Do I name it now? I name it after, maybe? Now everything I do is saved. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. Okay. All right. Dlurac. Dlurac, what a cool name. It's stored in the register queue. In the register queue. All right. I know what that means, totally. I'm a new soul. I came to this strange world. I usually sing better than this. I'm sick today. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Don't do that. No. Can I just do like, instead, can I do, no, can I do, let's see. What do I want to do? Can I delete all box shadows? Because that's something I want to do anyway. Something I can do twice. Fair point. Create a you know what? Right now, and this is probably not important because as soon as I get a language model, it'll be fine. But right now, when I do like a front squiggle, I want there to be a back squiggle as well. Fuck, Christine. a curly brace or a bracket because it's not doing that. And so I would like every time I do a curly bracket forward, I want the curly bracket in the back. Can we do that? It's just not doing that. And I want it to, and the cursor to go in the middle so I can type. Because right now it isn't doing that. I don't know. No, I guess. No. I just want like, I just want to do something that, fine, we'll change all the background. Can we delete padding from, all right, what if we delete, let me think. Hold on, let me think. Is this gonna scroll now? Is it recording my scrolling? Um, okay, how about this? I wanted to change justify content to center if I'm on that line. Does that sound good? So like, I don't have one there now, but we can even do it to space between or something. Okay. All right, let's do that then. Okay, so we're creating macro for the first time. All right, so then so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do all the motions that I would do to change justify content, but I'm gonna do this with regex, right? Okay, so I'm gonna use search, and I'm gonna search for justify content. Okay, fantastic. How do I know I want the right one? This is not using regex, so enjoy your blue pill, Faffin. Cheers. See you later. Hit enter. Okay. Okay. Do I need to go to center because it's technically doing the colon? Yeah. Okay. Then I want to do change in word and do space between. Okay. This is not helping me like do regex though. It's fine. Okay. Escape. Okay. And now I escape again to stop recording, or do I do like, this is not teaching me regex. I don't know what's Q again. Okay. Finished macro. Fine. So if I did that, now I want to do enter, and then now I'm on this one. So I'll just do it for this one. Now do it again. The same thing. Press at Q. That didn't do anything. It did it at the first thing. Now to do it again, press at Q. I did that. It did it at the first one. So hold on. If I do, and I do at Q, it still does it at this line 17. How does this help me? Oops. The search was performed in the macro itself. That's a good point. So if I want to re-record the macro, this is now at Q, right? Am I recording over it now, Delarak? So if I don't do the search and I just do, no, but it wants, I want to do it for justify content. Hey Mario, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Hey TD Race, Teach Racing. Hmm. I should be able to search in the macro because I specifically want to look for justified content. It's vanilla. There's no JavaScript in here right now. It's just HTML and CSS because I'm just putting together my website. This has a whole bunch of backend stuff. Like I've got a vibe rater that rates the vibes of stream that I want to put behind this. And that uses NLP and a Python backend. I've got some other stuff I want to do. So, so it's just CSS and HTML right now. I don't really need JavaScript for this like first phase at all. I might use a Ajax request for a vibrator, but I'm not sure. So we'll see. I'm chilling. I'm just re-recording the macro. Filthy pheasant. Falling for a GitHub project being called vibrator. Yeah, that's right. Why don't you try it out, filthiest peasant? So if you do, look, if you want to check, I'm going to check the vibes of your chat, right? So if you say hi, oh, come on. It's unfortunately like a first time chat, so it's not. All right, so we're just going to do this part. We're going to do vibes following for, and it will tell you it's 0% good vibes because it's a bad model. But if you do vibe rating, then you can see your rating against everybody else. So I'm 39th out of 156 users. This is ongoing. I only drop the database every once in a while, but I do want to do it per session, but I need to work on my portfolio right now, just to have a website. So you can, all right, let's do this. We're going to do S, justify content. How come that didn't work? Am I not queuing anymore? How do you earn? What do you do for earning? Summit, I'm a software developer, but I do a lot at my job. I work at a startup, so I like sometimes even do like panels and relations and a lot of other stuff. So it's just on the current line. All right. I don't know if this is teaching me regex, but I think I get the idea of macros, but I think I need a bigger reason for a macro header than changing justified content. I don't think this is a good enough macro, but I think I get the idea and I think I can go from there. That doesn't mean I get 100%, so I'll probably ask questions if I ever need it, but oh fuck. Am I still recording? Shit. That's funny. How can I delete it? It's silly. All right, I just want to do a little code, so if I can't do it, what? How did that happen? Stop it. Get out of command line. Q? How do I get out of command line? What am I even doing right now? What is this? NeoVim versus VS Code, which is best for developers? It depends on your level and how comfortable you are with coding. Whatever you like. All right. All right, sweet, thanks. Okay. I'm just gonna undo this. What was I trying to do? I was just trying to change the padding. I just gotta go back because I only have like 15 more minutes left to stream and I don't want to be stuck in the middle of something when I'm yeah, but Gray Hatter, like I think I eased into I like IntelliJ. I like VS Code is fun. I like VS Code a lot for some things. Like there are a lot of extensions in VS Code that work really well with streaming, which is, like you can highlight content. Efficacy nice, 54. Nice job, friend. I'm a Windows user, so I'm using WSL right now. All right. So what we wanted to do is get rid of the box shadows. So that's easy. So I can do box. This is the only box shadow. Okay, fine. Box shadow. We're gonna delete this. All right, great. So the box shadow's gone. So now I have centered boxes. All right, here we go. So this should be fine. All right, good. And I want this to look better. So like this container, I want to be much bigger. And then the buttons I want to be separated. These are going to go to the different pages on my site and they're not going to be this color. So the container is going to take some margin top, although, yeah, let's do that. So we're going to do, ooh, that's funny. Oh, that's funny. Whoopsies. Okay. So we're going to do margin. Repeat one word. Yeah. There's no example. Everything in where you're writing code yourself. Wait, what? I'm a student in college second year. What do you suggest me to focus on? Oh, good heavens. Oh, good heavens. There's not one answer to that. Yeah. And where do I get other people as my classmates are dumb? Ooh, be kind. Be kind, Sumit. I'm sorry if your classmates don't impress you. I can understand that, but you can hang out here. We do code all the time. All right. Margin top. Let's do 25 pixels and then auto. That's going to do top and bottom, but it should be fine. And then I want to do, whoa. Yo, what did I just do? What did I just do? What did I just do? What I did is I pressed escape and then I pressed something else and I guess it just like went crazy. I broke it. It was gorgeous for a hot minute. Oh no, meetings. Ew. Being in meetings all day is greater than coding? I mean, I guess it depends. You're in Finite! Shout out to Finite, who does not, hey T, how you doing? Who does not have a, Finite, I shouted you out last night because someone came in asking about Angular. I wish I could remember their name. I'm sorry. I don't know that. But if they pop into your stream and they're like, yo, Prissy Codes, tell me that you know about Angular. I did say he's working on extensions now. So it's a little bit out of his, zone now of streaming. But I knew that you knew about Angular and NeoVim does not work fine with Windows. This is WSL. I mean, I don't know. There is NeoVim for Windows. This is WSL. Okay. But hey, Saber, how are you doing? And Jimmy Grok, thank you for the follow. That's awesome. I should have pointed them to your Discord, but I don't know. I've never tried NeoVim on Windows, but it's WSL. I mean, I guess it's Windows. I don't know. It's still Windows. Okay. What am I doing right now? I want to fix the height for the container. So I put in a margin and now I wanted to have a height. So we're going to do height is, I don't know, let's just make it like 60 pixels. I probably want it to be an EM or an REM, but whatever, I'm not worried about it. No, I probably want it to be pretty steady. Well, then I got to write it now. Escape, right? And then, I don't know. I'm trying to get into DevRel Finite. I think I want it to be way taller, and that margin is not big enough. Oh, let's do like 50, I guess. Hmm. And then height, I was going to make it like 150 for now. Because I think I want to put an image behind it. So I think so too, finite. A lot of people have said that. And there we go. That's better. And it's going to be a different color. So a lot of people have said that, and I tend to believe them. So we're going to pull height into here. Hey, I could probably do a dot. No, I shouldn't. I could have just done a dot, and it might have done the height 150 pixel thing. Oh no, I just want these to be 15 pixel. And I want, let's see, where do I put align content center? This might not work. This might not. Middle, is it middle when it's aligned content? I always mess this up. Let's test this. So I might need to put it with the flex information. Oh, I didn't write it. Silly girl. All right. I think I still do need to do align content middle or something. Yeah, it doesn't like center. So this is going to be middle. Okay, it doesn't care. So this is going to be in center. Center isn't going to matter, but let's put it in here. So project banner. Do align items. That's what I want. Center. There we go. That's what I want. And I want to do, I don't want to justify content center. I want to justify space around. There we go. We're getting there. We're getting there. And I probably want a black border on those right now and a different radius. So, okay. So we need to do justify content. We're going to do space around. You want to do align item center. I want to keep streaming, y'all, but I can't. I have therapy at 1. She's going to be like, what are you doing? Why are you late? You need to talk to me. You have problems. I was going to be like, I'm sorry. There are people who are more important than you in my life. I never get to see finite singularity. She's going to be like, I understand. Go back. Be free. You don't have to be here. We won't even charge you for the time. That's what's going to happen. That looks horrible. But that's okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's going to be different than this. It's going to be a lot different. So, I love the like feedback, just getting stuff done is really nice. And I've been wanting to do this for a while, and it's so nice. Oh, I didn't write it. And then I have to get, yeah, hey, it's late Chico. Oh no, this song request didn't work. Oh no. It's because you requested them and they didn't come through. Tanawab, what is this one? And I'll give you all the one. Is Glasgow Kiss been played yet? And I'll just scratch them all up to that point. I'm thinking to do a live stream on some of Twitch coding stuff. How would I start and how can I get more reach? Can't help you with reach. That's a really tough one. And really, if you want to get a time machine, go back to 2020, start coding then. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I know, Benson. Hey. But live streaming, like look at OBS, follow Finite Singularity. Finite Singularity has a lot of stuff. Finite Singularity has a community of people who know that stuff. There's someone called Nutty who's fantastic. I guess I'll shout out Nutty really quickly. He's gonna be like, who is this person? When he sees the shout out. But that's fine. Yeah, there are just some great people who can get you started and have some great resources. So, all right, y'all, it is 12:56, meaning I think I'm gonna do a lot of these like little streams. Ah, that's great. It's not the best looking buttons in the world, but it's getting there. And this is kind of what I was going for. It's got good margins, got good spacing. I don't think I'm gonna have it go all the way across. Maybe though, I don't know. It's probably gonna be a pic or something, but in the background. I don't think it's just gonna be white. So I don't know. I need to see what I want to put there, whether it's bubbles or jellyfish or something, like something, that scrolls nice. Yeah, filthiest peasant. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate you. Yeah, let's go find someone to raid because I've got 3 minutes and I have to log into my virtual session. So, who do we raid, y'all? I hate their rating screen, by the way. Twitch's OBS rating screen is just awful, so I'll just go. I guess we could raid Teej. Might be interesting. Or B7. I could always raid. Oh, Prime's playing Helldivers. So, I could raid Non. What do we think? I don't have Vash. I don't know who Vash is, so but so let's see what we want to do. Let's go ahead and raid Teej. I don't think I've had the opportunity to raid Teej, and that might be fun. Okay, guys, we're gonna go raid Teej. I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. I cannot wait to stream again. Still using the mouse. Yeah, sometimes it happens. You know me. I'm a silly girl. Bye. See y'all later.